Sunday today and we are going to...
Wait lang, Legazpi.
Hindi niya alam. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Legazpi. Legazpi? Legazpi Sunday Market. I'm here with...
Earl.
And I'm Adi. So, since wala pa kaming tulog, why not pumunta na lang sa market at maghanap ng magandang breakfast and coffee. Actually, it's my first time.
Wow!
Ikaw ba?
First time mo to?
Never pa ako nakapag Sunday market or any morning market. Ano yung nilook forward mo na pagkain or drinks?
Food before nandun parate yung stall ng baklava. Yung
Dessert talaga, morning na morning.
dessert sweet tooth. But yes, marami din mga burger and hot dog stands. So, we'll see.
Okay. Ako naman, gusto ko makatikim ng iba-ibang putahe sa iba-ibang bansa, like pad thai. Nakita ko kasi sa TikTok. And then, mga pastries. Kasi alam ko may French bakery doon. Anyway, see you later.
Bye-bye!
Oh. Ulit, transition. Wala pa, isa pa. So madami silang mga GCash payments dito. Almost all naman may GCash payments. So kapag nandito kayo guys, kailangan may GSOFan kayo. Kasi ito dala ko. Nakakatawa yun. Ito po ay Chinese fresh lumpia. By this time, actually, yung mali ko is ang layo namin from the camera. So, yung wireless mic namin, hindi na naririnig. This is a voice-over na lang. Anyway, we got the Chinese fresh lumpia. This one is the Taiwanese fried chicken. Boneless. 2 flavors, parang soy, garlic, and salted egg ata yung isa. It's masarap. And it's for only 200 pesos something. So, it's mura. This one is roast beef naman, 100 grams with mashed potato. I also love ang lambot ng roast beef. We also got yogurt shake. And for 90 pesos, sulit. Actually, mura naman lahat ng nasa Legazpi Market. It's just that pag natuwa ka, mapaparami ka. Hindi mo mamalayan, more than 500 na pala nagastos mo. So, tapos na kaming mag-Sunday Market. What can you say? Busog ka ba?
Yeah, busog.
So, ngayon nagkikrave kami ng
Coffee, matcha. Anything mo na may around the area.
Tara.
So,
Kayo ba guys, ano bang klaseng coffee ang gusto nyo? Milky? Americano?
coffee milk tea?
Milky! Not milk tea! Ang ganda maglakad-lakad dito sa Makati kasi parang ang peaceful. Medyo kumakulimlim. Sana hindi umulan. Ayan no. Tamo. Panko Cafe is a bright minimalist spot blending Melbourne coffee culture with Filipino flavor. They serve specialty beans from Market Lane Coffee. It's pet-friendly, work remote friendly. They have Wi-Fi. After nyo mag-Sunday market, you should come here. So kung hindi nyo man napapansin or di nyo man alam, ako ay ube super big ube fan. Tap. Very light. Parang chiffon cake na ube flavor plus cream. I like it. It's simple and light and sweet.
What?
Kami dito sa Panko Cafe, wala kami masyadong expectations, pero mukhang masasarap yung food nila, especially yung kare-kare bagnat ba yun? Bagnat kare-kare, parang wow, amazing, sarap. But we're here for desserts and coffee lang. Next time, babalik kami. I got the tiramisu latte, and Earl got the matcha mocha. Dirty mocha, matcha mocha. Dirty mo. Dirty mo. Sabi daw is inumin mo yung cream muna bago ihalo. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Let's see pag hinalo, mag-iba yung taste. Actually, na-balance na yung sweetness ng kape. Yung pait ng kape. I like it. Normally, iced Americano lang naman ako. Very basic. But once in a while, nagmamatamis, nagka-try ng iba. And today is one of those days. Tikman naman natin yung dirty mocha matcha mo.
So, I'm not sure if it's strong.
Wow. Masarap siya, but it's too sweet for my liking. So, nandito na po kami sa Ayala Triangle. Okay pala dito pag Sunday, walang masyadong tao. Chill. Pwede yung magdala ng food for picnic.
Yes.
Ang ganda mag-OOTD. Ipapakita namin yung OOTD pics namin in 3, 2, 1.
Tada!
Kita nyo to sa gitna. May kita nyo. Lalagay ko.
Ganda ng post mo, chat.
Ikaw yan, hindi ako yan.
Ikaw, ano ba yan?
Next, yung akin na.
Same kasi. Yan.
Ayan. Ganda, di ba?
Para ka dyang 6'5".
Oo.
Nakakatuwa kasi nakaka-inspire to be part. Kanina lang pinag-uusapan natin to be part of a fitness group. Wow! Running or whatever. Cardio, calisthenics, body combat na would help you pursue your fitness goals, which is nice.
So, if you are in your running era, jogging era, ituloy nyo lang yan. At
Ano mang era. Doon
kung
sa
ano
far
mang
away.
mga fitness era nyo ngayon, ituloy nyo. And kung may plan kayo to start, this is the sign. No? Kasi kakaka-start mo lang ng gym era mo.
Yes, and I think one of the inspirations ni Adi sa akin would be in terms of fitness. So, yeah, just last month, kumuha ako ng membership. And isa yun sa pinaka-maganda, pinaka-exciting, pinaka-nakakatuwang investment ko for myself. And I'm enjoying it. Yes.
Nag-gym na ako for almost 3 years
3 years.
now.
Wow! And look at your progress.
Yeah, I think mas gusto ko pa, ano man next level. Aside from gym, baka maganda pa ako ng calisthenics group. So if you know someone or you know a group in Makati or BGC, mag-comment kayo dyan kasi hirap maghanap. And also, syempre, healthy lifestyle. Although, alam naman natin na partying, socializing, social drinking is
That's part of
part of our lifestyle. Medyo,
and what we enjoy doing.
yeah, we enjoy partying, meeting people or partying with friends.
Right.
While mini-maintain namin yon, gusto rin namin na mabalance siya through working out and the food we eat.
Yep.
So yun yung update lang namin sa buhay namin. No one asked for na. I mean,
we're giving.
kung nakaabot ka dito sa part na to ng
No one
vlog,
asked
thank
for.
you.
Thank you.
So gusto nyo ba ng ganitong klaseng vlog? Kasi usually yung mga vlog ko travel,
Yeah.
reco ng mga food. So this one is a different one, very laid back lang.
And I think it's not just laid back. It's quite intimate and vulnerable and personal. Vulnerable. Di ba? Na, well, kumbaga, you're telling stories, so sometimes you don't even tell your friends. And now, it's out there on social media.
So I think
Yun,
magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong series na
Right.
talking with friends, spending the day with them.
Taking it slow.
Kasi ang balak lang talaga namin is kumain lang sa Sunday market and then
And we did
bigla napunta sa coffee shop and then now we're here
Yeah.
sa park, chilling.
on a weekend, especially if you want to just take it slow. Because sometimes kapag nasa work tayo, we are always on top of everything. We want to plan every single thing up to the details. And sometimes just letting go and not being too detail-oriented, like me, helps in de-stressing. Having a slow Sunday with people you value is fun. It's good. And that's my takeaway.
Well, thank you for that wonderful
Wonderful.
message, Earl. Is this your vlog or something? I think hindi mo kailangan planuhin lahat ng bagay. No? Parang may mga bagay na pinaplano, may mga bagay na nahayaan mo lang or gawin mo lang.
Right.
And dun mo malalaman kung tama ba yung gagawin mo or ma-enjoy mo ba. And most of the time, ma-enjoy mo eh. Kasi gusto mo talaga siyang gawin at the back of your mind. Pero madami lang nang nag-hold back sa'yo. But kung ano man yan, fitness era, to travel, to try a lot of restaurants, to do it alone or do it with someone, go for it. And with that, ganun na po magtatapos ang aking vlog. Itong chill Sunday na, lazy Sunday vlog.
Yeah.
And magpaalam ka na, Earl. This is Earl.
Yes, this is Earl. No? Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching and hope you subscribe, like, and click the notification button para lagi kang updated.
Kompletong ending natin.
Yes. Kasi ang next namin is Chiang Mai vlog. Pupunta kami ng Chiang Mai next week. So I hope nandyan pa rin kayo.
First time namin dalawa, so
Yes.
see ya!
Kung meron kayong mga recommendations sa Chiang Mai, lagay kayo sa comments section.
No na.
Yun lang, tama. Haba na ng video na to. Sige na, bye!